into NC2, Tomb of the Birds, Cave of the Snake.
It looks to be a human bone of some sort there.
Didn't see that last one.
Yeah, didn't see that last time.
Welcome back. I'm Lex Levy and this is Ancient Odysseys. Salam alaikum members only. We're back on the Giza Plateau. It is March the 11th. I'm here at the northwestern corner of G1B satellite pyramid. We're going to see what changes have been made to the plateau since we left. We've been in Japan for 3 months. And we're going to see what the situation is at NC2. There's been some reports that it's been buried and locked. We're going to see what the truth is. I'll report whatever else we find today. So stay tuned. You hear it first. And thank you for your continued support. I really appreciate it. That's what makes it possible for us to be here today. So we have 4 days left until the big reveal by the Khafre scanning project. They've obtained synthetic Aperture Doppler tomography that apparently what they claim is that they captured what is evidence of the hulls of Amente beneath the Giza Plateau. So I'm incredibly excited to see what the results are. If that's true, it'd be the greatest archaeological breakthrough of our lifetime. I'm going to take a look at the trial passages. It looks like there's some makeshift construction, which is new since the last time we've been here. Perhaps they're cleaning up the area and they made use of the rubble to deter traffic from this area. All of this is new. But it's still accessible. Oh, they've actually removed the wooden ramp that was once here. Okay, that's a huge change. Okay, that's a huge change. Wow. Holy shit. Now you can get a clear view. Okay, we're going to take a look at this channel that's in the trial passage. They just removed the wooden structure that was obstructing the view. This is highly eroded. Very strange. This is going east. Geoffrey?
Yeah.
They've removed the wooden structure that obstructed the view. You can see.
Yeah, so there used to be a...
You gotta take a look.
Yeah. There used to be a wooden plank thing over here. And... Here, watch out. I'm gonna jump. You're good. Okay. And
There's the light.
look at that.
It's so eroded.
Yeah, it's all eroded, and that's filled with metal ore. And this is the exact same thing as what we see leading into the pits adjacent to the central pyramid. I've shown this on multiple other Sunday site visits, but this whole system is eroded out. And this tunnel runs back directly toward, and you can see it also continues back here, further in that direction.
It's going east.
And then obviously this whole thing is connected into the, this is one of the openings into the trial passages here.
Oh, it's been cleared out. Holy shit.
You can't really see in there, but
There's a ladder going down.
maybe that's why they blocked it off.
There's some new activity here.
Yeah, it's not a trial passages, and it's not a dead end either. It keeps
I hope we
going.
can see this.
Yeah. Now the tricky part is climbing back out of here. Here, hold this.
Okay. Here, let me try to get a still shot.
All right. So again, this tunnel runs right back in that direction.
That's crazy.
And Alexa was saying it looks like they've cleared out a bunch of the shit from in there.
It was packed full of shit.
Packed full of plastic bottles.
All right.
All right.
I can put this away.
Hold on, let me help her out here.
Thank you. Just hang on. Oh, there's the old lock.
Yep.
That would be cool to have.
Alright, so now we're gonna have
They've also placed a new cover over this shaft.
months ago, there was no gate here. This gate was recently installed. If you guys have been following.
What? Oh, they've cleaned it all out. Oh my god. Oh, there's some.
Look at that. All right.
There's renewed interest in this area.
So they've cleared out. And go back to any of our. Would you have the flashlight?
Yes, I do.
So this whole thing was like literally packed full of plastic bottles and trash. And they've put.
I'm Lex Levy, and this is Ancient Odysseys. Today we're back on the Giza Plateau. We're on the eastern face of the Great Pyramid, and we're going to investigate the trial passage.
some ladder infrastructure down in here.
So much has changed since we've been away.
Yeah, and it goes down further than that. Like down, you probably can't see that in the video, but there's a vertical shaft down at the bottom of this diagonal descending shaft. And none of this was here a few months ago.
We've never seen this
Yeah,
far.
never have in my entire time coming to Egypt. That entire thing was just filled with trash. So there.
Looks like there's some excavation to the right too.
So again, if this was just a dead end passage and there was absolutely nothing in there, what's up with the renewed interest? Why are they going back down?
The timing's interesting.
Yeah, timing's interesting. Why is there this renewed interest in a dead end hole that doesn't go anywhere? Of course it goes somewhere. But the whole thing was filled with trash before the people finding out where it goes.
It's all cleaned out. You can see all the erosion.
So this system has a sloping here, a sloping shaft here. So it goes down here.
This wall's all new. They don't want people coming down here like we did. It's really cool to see it all cleaned out. I had no idea there was this step in the cuts in the masonry. See how it's cut. What was this? Maybe it was intended as another pyramid, satellite pyramid.
Not too shabby.
And you can see how the trial passages are aligned with the other satellite pyramids. Perhaps this was intended to be the fifth satellite pyramid. We have G1A, B, C, and D. Maybe this is E. What do you think? So what do you think? The trial passage. We have Alex Jones reporting. Show me the stack.
I mean, if nothing else, it's good they cleared all the trash out of there, because this is an important archaeological feature of the entire Giza Plateau system. And clearly there's something else down in there that would justify the installation of all the new infrastructure. So they know what's going on.
They're watching our YouTube.
The trial passages are a set of connected tunnels carved into the bedrock, 87.5 meters from the east side of the Great Pyramid. The passages have a form of 3 rectangular openings leading to a set of sloping passages. Together, these shafts stretch approximately 23 meters in length, horizontally in a north-south orientation, and are believed to reach down to a depth of approximately 10 meters. But the true depth is unknown. Conventional archaeology dates these passages to the time of the Great Pyramid's construction. The trial passage's function has been interpreted in various ways over the decades. Flinders Petrie believed them to be a replica or trial version of the internal passages within the Great Pyramid, hence the name trial passages. Another theory is that the structure was intended for astronomical observation. If you want to learn about the true function of the trial passages, watch my husband, Geoffrey Drumm, at the Land of Chems episode 98.
It's amazing. What else will we find today?
My friend, No one said Mustaba mumia?
No, it's okay.
تعال نلف لك السكرت.
This is also a fairly unusual building. The nummulitic bedrock limestone of the Giza Plateau is all permeated with shells. And up in here you can see the, hopefully you can see that. There's a bunch of iron oxide indicating that this was a vein running through here.
We're checking out these strange features, the southwest corner of the Great Pyramid. There's all these channels and housings in the bedrock. And these housings that look like scoop marks. Livy, and this is Ancient Odysseys. Today we're back on the Giza Plateau and we're going to explore the west field of the Great Pyramid. We are now at the southwestern corner of the Great Pyramid. Look at this. Incredibly permeated with high content of iron oxide and this fossiliferous limestone. You can see the shells. It's a huge vein. In line with the northeastern corner of the central pyramid. Look at all this iron.
seen before. You get to hear the on-site process of evaluation. And this is another interesting component that leads me to believe that this is not a quarry. Because why would there be a hole or a shaft? And this is I would open that up, but there's a disgusting mask on there. There's no way I'm touching that thing. But anyway, there's a hole or a shaft leading into this thing. What the hell was over here?
See, these appear to be scoop marks into the bedrock. Some sort of housings or niches. Aerial view. And there's a shaft here. See if we can get a closer look.
Very strange little area that had my attention from the last time we were over here. And as is often the case, sometimes these site expeditions leave you with more questions than answers.
Alright, we're walking on the southern side of the Great Pyramid. I haven't been back here before. There's some Mustabas. I'm here with my husband, Geoffrey Drumm, Malanga camp. It's a peaceful day on the plateau. A lot of restoration work here. These shafts all over the plateau. Look at this beautiful false door. Now these are different than false doors. I've seen them all around the plateau. They may have been for ventilation or lighting areas.
Circular or tubular shape. Really very much looking like
We were just over here
presented that other one
at the southwestern corner of the Great
adjacent
Pyramid,
to the central pyramid.
checking out the channels
Iron
and
wire.
unique housings within the bedrock. Now we've crossed the street. Take a look at this channel here. Leading right into the area that we were just looking with the covered channel.
This direction.
And there's more of those scoop marks here. You can just see the apex of the central pyramid. All right, let's get to higher ground.
Whatever was here
looks like there's light. An aperture down there.
It does look like there's light. This is probably connected into that vertical shaft that I just showed. There appears to be light shining down into this area.
Do you want the flashlight? Is coming from up over here. Shit. Does it extend to the left?
It's a container here.
Oh my gosh, you're right.
There's a lid here, container here.
Can you see inside the container?
I mean, not from here, and I don't want to.
How far down does the pit go? Can I come down there with you?
And I forgot the lighting attachment.
I have the flashlight. I'm coming down. Here we go. It's a huge container.
Alright. See the channel here?
I have a glove. Look at that. This is so exciting. Wow. This is crazy. Oh goodness. Can you see inside?
It's just empty and filled with trash.
Still get a shot.
I got it.
Okay. Can you see? I wonder if this is marked on the Westfield map. Do you want me to come over here?
Come on.
Okay. That's so cool. Look at these tracks. Oh, this super slippery. Into the light. Oh, it smells like this. That was cool. What do you think?
Much easier going in than getting out.
Slippery. Babe, let me change a battery real quick.
Come on, we can do that once we get this up.
Okay. We're in the Giza Westfield. Yellow have to be a bit sneaky. Massive Mustabas. Babe. One second. One second. Here's the Mustaba of Hemi-Unu. We're going to check the situation around NC2 or Tomb of the Birds. This is the massive Mustaba that's not marked on the Giza Plateau. I agree. Let's go. Oh wow. Trilithons. Don't fall in a shaft. There's the gem aligned with the pyramids. There's the new Khufu restaurant. It's built directly on top of NC2. Strategic engineering. Nice guard check here. This is so cool. Keeping our eyes out. Really have to haul ass, cover some ground to get to this site. As we go further in the Westfield, the masonry becomes smaller and smaller, and then we're meeting mud brick structures. This is so cool. Let's go. See the gem? We're safe. Let me tie my shoe real quick.
Alright. Another Land of Chem exclusive. And this is for only the OGs.
That's right.
That have stayed tuned to the end of the episode. And some of you may already know where we're heading by our location on the Giza Plateau. So this is the western side of the Great Pyramid, northwestern side of the Central Pyramid.
They have just demolished everything in the path of the gem. They have big construction plans.
Close attention to the research
So we're approaching NC2, Tomb of the Birds, Cave of the Snake. We've received mixed reports on the status of this site. We're going to see if it's still accessible. So hopefully we'll be in luck. But you'll hear it first.
That's the Tomb of the Birds.
Cave of the Snake. This is NC1. Last time, so nothing's changed here. Here we go.
First report was that it had been buried completely. I can already tell you now, before we're around the corner, it has not been buried. This is it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the opening.
Oh, it's still wide open. Where were those reports coming from? It's hard to miss. Let's go. Into NC2, Tomb of the Birds, Cave of the Snake.
Alright, so this is the temple entrance. And I can already tell you there's a bunch of anomalous features of this entrance.
Get my flashlight.
Here, specifically the housing. Here. And I use the word housing intentionally because this absolutely was the housing for a component that's no longer there. And this is the opening of the passageway
Wait, don't leave me without a flashlight this
that
time.
leads down into the subterranean underworld below the Giza Plateau. And will you get the other flashlight out of my backpack? Should be on the
Yep,
side.
thank you.
Okay.
Yalabina.
So here we go. Now, I will say in advance, has already been explored. And we've shown video from previous episodes, the opening into this huge tunnel network. So, you know, with the interest of safety of specifically my wife in mind, we aren't crawling down into the tunnel. We already know where it goes, it's been documented. But since we have this golden opportunity, we might as well And
You want
can
your
see that
gloves?
there's bats already in here.
Into the Giza underworld.
So this is partially a natural cave, partially an excavated chamber. Hey, please.
It is funky in here.
Yeah, it stinks. So, for your enjoyment, I will once again show you the opening
See this channel? Careful, babe.
that leads down underground below the pyramids of the Giza Plateau. That's it. Must be a human bone of some sort there.
Didn't see that last time.
Yeah, didn't see that last time.
Oh my goodness. You're not kidding. Ah! It's a lot spookier than last time. Okay. Wow.
This is it.
Oh my goodness. What do you see?
Okay. There's a bunch of bones down here.
Oh, I see them.
All right, let's go.
We're going. You want your gloves?
Nope. Let's go.
Okay.
Babe, turn around, please.
Oh, go back.
Yeah.
Okay. There's another opening over here.
So I mean,
Where are those reports?
might as well. All right, so this is the temple entrance. And I can already tell you there's a bunch of anomalous features of this entrance. Here, specifically in this housing here. And I use the word housing intentionally because this absolutely was the housing for a component that's no longer there. And this is the opening of the passageway
Wait, don't leave me with our flashlight this
that
time.
leads down into the subterranean underworld below the Giza Plateau. And will you get the other flashlight out of my backpack? It should be on the side pack.
Thank you.
Okay.
That'll be enough.
So here we go. Now I will say in advance that this tunnel system has already been explored. And we've shown video from previous episodes, the opening into this huge tunnel network. So, you know, with the interest of safety of specifically my wife in mind, we aren't crawling down into the tunnel. We already know where it goes. It's been documented. But since we have this golden opportunity, we might as well. And you can see that there's bats already in here. So this is partially a natural cave, partially an excavated chamber. Hey, please.
It is funky in here.
Yeah, it stinks. So, for your enjoyment, I will once again show you the opening
Careful there.
that leads down underground below the pyramids of the Giza Plateau. That's it. So it looks to be a human bone of some sort there.
Didn't see that last one.
Yeah, didn't see that last time.
Oh my goodness. You're not kidding. It's a lot spookier than last time. Wow.
This is it.
What do you see?
Okay. Come on.
Yeah, it's gross in here. There's this channel here. Okay, try not to touch anything. Oh, whoa.
Yeah.
What? It connects to another chamber. Did you see? There's a light. Did you see that, babe?
Yeah.
Okay. That was really cool.
Hey.
Coming. Okay, that was Tomb of the Birds, NC2. Do you want to look at the side chambers? Just get a picture of the facade. So we're standing on top of the recently built Khufu's restaurant. Sits directly on top of NC2. It's right below here.
Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, pick up some merch, and stay tuned for more epic adventures from Ancient Odysseys. Never stop exploring.